Hey everybody, Sugar Tunes here, and I'm with someone. My slash boy. Anyway, we're in a truck at the gas station. Yeah.
Trying to picklock this.
Why are you trying to picklock it? It doesn't work. Hey, we are going fishing.
What is this?
Oh, that's a... What is that actually? Oh, that's
Setner.
Yeah. Why didn't you use it?
No idea. Put it in the house. What else is in here?
It looks like a stereo thing. You know what that is?
Looks like a phone. Relentless. And it's full.
Is it? Oh, cool.
Oh my god. I have no idea how long that's been in there. This one's dirty
That's
truck.
so cool.
That's awesome, man. Probably my dad hasn't even been in here.
You can't look at it. Okay. Tell me that is not the biggest thing in the world. What the hell are those birds eating? Seriously, it's like a zombie horde. Oh god damn it, man.
Damn.
Probably eating a monster or something like that. Where'd it go there? We're gonna get killed by the evil birds that lurk through the darkness. Kind of. I'm trying to get this stupid blind thing to go. But seriously, oh god. But seriously, what is going on over there? Oh, car. And I said, what is
Having an orgy. Probably.
Oh my god, they're on the road! Oh,
Seagulls too!
They're on the road! Oh my god, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing?
I don't know.
Oh god.
Oh dear.
What happened?
I have no idea.
What's happening? We're like getting surrounded by the birds.
What retard would actually feed them?
I know, innit?
No.
Okay, I think they're like going now. Oh god, oh god, oh my god, oh god.
They're having an orgy again.
They're gonna have another orgy.
Just look all around.
Where are they going? What are they? Where are they? Who are they? What? Who cares? Oh my god. Okay, they have retreated back to their homeland. Not really though.
That is actually their homeland. That big patch of grass is their homeland.
Yeah, the orgy land. Here we are. Okay, I'm just gonna go over here and see what it's like, what's over here. Okay, that looks fucking scary. I feel like something's gonna come out and get me. Kinda weird, anyway, let's go check over here. In fact, never mind, so I'm just gonna stay the group. So what kind of fish do you think you're gonna catch?
Shining Magikarp.
Why?
Shining Magikarp.
I think I'll go see what's over here. Okay. Big tree, big stump thing. I'm scared a pedophile's gonna come out of that bush. I'm in the next Modern Warfare 2. Yeah.
Ah! Ah! Who? Bum! Cheese!
Someone's communicating to you on the other side.
Lots of spaghetti!
Hey Swan. I think this one just came and it just came and like tried to get the stuff.
Okay, so around here we've got a big pile of work. This one's like half dead. Yep, so what we do is we're gonna dissect this one. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Fine then. This one seems pretty damn dead. Come here. You seem pretty damn dead. Right. This week we're going to dissect the worm. It's dissected.
More worms. Ugh. More orgies.
Okay, so this is a mussel we caught. For some random reason it got snagged on a line.
Great.
Up with us. So we're going to open it. Oh, it's almost opening. Let's see what pulls we get in this pack. Ew.
What? Oh, it's rotten. Oh god.
Some sick thing.
What is in there? Come on, quick, open it. Oh, I want to stay right away from it.
It's a sluggy thingy.
Come on, open it.
Shanky blood.
Oh, it's leaking. I think it wet stuff.
Probably.
Open it.
Yeah.
What do I do?
Keep opening it.
Office, what does more snaps in my hand?
That's right.
Oh, what is that though?
There you go. It's a mussel.
Oh,
What does it do?
yuck. What does it do?
It's all leaking in my hand.
Pull them and eat them.
Oh, that is what was inside of it. That's just nasty.
It's dead now.
No.
It's still alive.
So how does it do things?
What did it do?
Throw it back in the river and it'll survive.
Will it?
Yeah.
Does it move?
I think I'll go over here. Oh God, Jesus! Probably scared you, didn't I? Oops. What is in here though? Royal Winston Park. I have no idea what's in there, but still. Oh God, Jesus. Okay then. Well, we tried our best to catch a fish, but we couldn't do it. So, Mindshack's boy. No golden magic carp. Mindshack's boy.
Yeah?
No golden magic carp.
No.
Epic fail. We didn't catch any fish.
So we did catch a
mussel. Well, yeah, we know. Well,
We never caught a shelter.
Yeah, shelter. Whatever.
Yeah, we caught a shelter.
To be honest, not that much really. But oh well.